This is the Redmi Note 5 Pro, the most hyped smartphone of 2018 in markets like China, Brazil and India. And today I'm going to give you my first impressions on it. Hey guys, I'm Sori from Ichka TV and let's get started.
Inside the box we get the phone itself, along with some paperwork and a SIM ejector tool, a 5V 2A charger, a data cable and a silicone case. Now let's take a closer look at the phone. At the front, the Redmi Note 5 Pro comes with a Full HD Plus 18:9 5.99" display. It is an IPS display, and at the front we also get a 20 megapixel front camera along with a flash. At the back we get the fingerprint sensor, a 12 plus 5 megapixel dual camera setup along with dual LED flash and some Mi branding. At the bottom we get the micro SD port, a headphone jack and a speaker, and at the top we get the IR blaster. The volume buttons, power buttons and the SIM ejector tray are on the sides. The phone is powered with 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, a 4000 mAh battery and a Snapdragon 636 processor. It runs on Android Nougat with MIUI 9 skin on top of it. Some of you might not like the skin, but I kind of like it. The phone feels quite premium in the hand and the battery backup is also quite good. I installed a few apps and run on it and it was running smoothly. I have received no lag so far. Here are some camera samples of the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Now let's talk about the price. The 4GB and the 64GB variant of the Redmi Note 5 Pro is priced at $225 and the 6GB and 64GB variant comes at $30 more. I do not recommend you to spend $30 more for the 6GB variant. I think 4GB is more than enough.
So that's all for this video guys. So what do you think of this device? You are going to buy it or have you already bought it? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you have enjoyed this video, then give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe for more, and you can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. That would be great. And I will see you in the next one. Signing off and goodbye.